I had to make some alterations to my bioreactor. I'm doing the in-place aeration tubes, so I don't remove them, because I found that the worms, and then once they get going, they make the hose collapse, and then they don't have that air movement in there. For me, this works great. The air movement's still there. Now I had to get platforms like this. This is out of plastic. You can see, and I cut it off here. They already had spaces in it, but I cut it off. So the tubes fit in great, and then the air goes in from the bottom or the top and is able to circulate. Now, one of the problems I'm having with the bioreactor is that the compost drops down. Here is approximately 2.5 feet, maybe close to 3 feet. You can look at the bottom over here to the bottom. So that's a challenge. So I'm always having to, by the time it's mature, I had to get on a ladder or something to dig down. It's hard, especially while this is in place. Now, if I'm just going to use just the compost, I can just push it over and spread it out in the garden, okay? But if I want to do compost soil drenching with this, that's what I want to try, then I need to be able to dig it out or make compost tea out. And it's a pain in the butt. So what I've done is I removed the top part right there, and I put this portable one here. And the way it works is I can lift it up, and there it is. There's the compost right there. And to give you a better idea, I'm gonna move it out. Come on. I'm going to lift it up, and you'll see. Okay, there it is. I just put it on the side right there, and there I am. Here I am right there. I can touch the compost, dig it out, and work with it. And then I can just put the top back on it, and everything works fine. Okay, I'm holding it in place. If you can see, there's some holes here, and I got these bolts like this coming through the top part, and it goes down to the bottom part. I went on and marked them so I can remember where they're at on the sides. This side doesn't have anything supporting it, but these bolts will hold it in place. Thanks for watching.